Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve some problems on vector geometry. We already have a video on vector geometry. We'll be sharing that one in the description. And we'll solve some questions, and there are some questions for you to solve. So I want you to be very much focused and watch the video till end. And after going through this video, if you feel that this is useful and you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the very first question. We have a triangle AOB where vector OA is equal to A. This vector OA is A. Vector OB is B. P is a point on AB. So P is a point on AB such that AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 3. And you are given vector OP is equal to K bracket 3A plus B. Find the value of K. So for finding the value of K, so OP if I have to find, I need to find AP. For finding AP, first we find AB. So we have AB is equal to AO plus OB, which is minus A. When we go in vectors, direction is very important. So we are going this way, so it is minus A plus B. Now we have to find AP. So AP is what? AP is to PB. The ratio is given as 1 is to 3. So that's how you get AP is equal to 1/4 of minus A plus B, because total parts are 4. AP is to PB is 1 is to 3. So total parts are 4. So this is 1/3 and this is 1/4 and this is 3/4. So we have AP is equal to 1/4 of minus A plus B. Now we find OP. So you have OP is equal to OA plus AP. Now OA is A and plus AP is 1/4 of minus A plus B. Now let us simplify this. Open the bracket. So 1/4 of A is minus A by 4 plus B by 4. Now we take the LCM. 4 times A is 4A. 4A minus A is going to be 3A upon 4 plus B over 4. So these are the like terms that we added. Now 3A upon 4 plus B upon 4. Observe here. Here you have 3A plus B in the bracket. So we can take 1/4 common. Taking 1/4 common, we are left with 3A plus B. Now you just compare within the question what was OP. So here OP was given K in bracket 3A plus B. And on solving OP, we got 1/4 in bracket 3A plus B. So this is how the value of K is 1/4. Got it? Now let's solve the similar one more question. And now I want again you have to be very focused because the third question is going to be for you. I would really appreciate that if you solve that and put in the comment whatever answer you're getting. Or at least message that I have solved it, ma'am. Put in the comment. Okay. So we have the question number 2 again. You have vector OA is 2A. Vector OB is 3B. P is a point on AB such that AP is to PB is equal to 3/2. So this is 3/2. So 3 plus 2, 5 parts are there. So this is going to be 3/5. AP is going to be 3/5 part of AB and this is going to be 2/5 parts of AB. Okay. So now vector OP is given to you as K bracket 4A plus 9B. Now for this, finding the value of K, we will first find OP in terms of whatever 4A plus 9B. Let us check what we get. For finding OP, we need AP, and for finding AP, first we find AB. So we have AB is equal to AO plus OB, which is minus 2A plus 3B. Now AP is 3/5 of AB, which is 3/5 of minus 2A plus 3B. Now we find OP. OP is OA plus AP. OA is 2A and AP is 3/5 of minus 2A plus 3B. Let us expand. 3 times 2 is minus 6A upon 5 and 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So 3 times minus 2 was minus 6A and 3 times positive 3 is going to be 9B over 5. LCM is 5. So 5 times 2 is 10A. 10A minus 6A is going to be 4A upon 5 plus 9B upon 5. Now we can see here denominator 5 common. So we take 1/5 common. We are left with 4A plus 9B. Now we compare with OP, which was given K bracket 4A plus 9B, and we got 1/5 bracket 4A plus 9B. And comparing these two equations, we get the value of K as 1/5. Okay, we have solved two questions, children, and now this is the question for you. So test yourself by solving this question. Very much similar to what we did till now. Okay, let's move on to another question. Now here you have A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon, all the sides A, B, B, C, C, D, they are equal with center O. We are given vector OA is equal to A and vector OB is equal to B. M is the point on BC, midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So it is half of BC. And X is the point on AB extended. So this is your X here. So this is your X is a point on AB extended such that AB is to BX, AB is to BX is equal to 3 is to 2. Okay, and you have to prove that EMX are on the same straight line. So you have to prove. Now since this is EO and this is a regular hexagon, this EB is going to be twice of B, and we have to prove EMX, they all are on the same straight line. So please focus and understand this question carefully, because next question of similar types is going to be for you. So please understand this question carefully now. Observe and watch the video carefully. So you have, since you are given AB is to BX is equal to 3 is to 2. So you get BX is equal to 2/3 of AB. You get BX is equal to 2/3 of AB. Now what is AB? So AB is going to be, if I go AB, it is going to be AO plus OB, which is minus A plus B. Okay. So that's how BX is equal to 2/3 of minus A plus B. Now we found Bx. Let's now find Bm. Now Bm is going to be negative of half A. So Bm, had it been CMB, it would be positive half A. So since it is the midpoint and AO and AO and BC, they are parallel. So that's how this is going to be, Bm is going to be minus half of A. We found Bm, now we need to find Em. Now Em is equal to EB plus Bm. So we focus on this particular triangle. So EB is going to be twice B and Bm we have now calculated, which is minus half A. Okay. Now let us simplify this. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4B minus A upon 2. So if you take half common here, so you get 4B minus A. Half in bracket 4B minus A. So I have highlighted, there is some reason for this. So please be focused. So we now found EM. EM was half of 4B minus A. Now we will be finding EX. Now EX, we are going to focus on the triangle EBX. Is going to be EB plus BX. Now what is EB? It is again 2B. So EB is 2B and BX we have already calculated, which is 2/3 of minus A plus B. So expand this bracket, 2 times A is going to be minus 2A upon 3 and 2 times B is going to be positive 2B upon 3. 3 2s are 6B minus 2A plus 2B all over 3. 6B plus 2B is 8B minus 2A upon 3. Now we can have 2 common from here. From the numerator, we can take 2 common. So 2/3 taken common, you get 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 is taken common out. So A is left. So we got 2/3 of 4B minus A. So you can see that EM and EX both are multiples of 4B minus A. So if they are multiples of the same number 4B minus A, these points E, M and X are going to be collinear. So since EM and EX are both multiples of 4B minus A and both pass through E, EMX are on the same straight line. So key concepts, remember that if the points are collinear, you will get both of the multiples of some common number. So here it is 4B minus A. Got it? Let's take one more question. Question number 5 and question number 6 is going to be for you. So please again, we have to show that C, M, D are on the same straight line. So as I told you, they should be multiples of some same expression or same number, you can say. Okay, so now here in this triangle, you are given OA is 5A and OB is 3B and C is the point such that OC is to CA is equal to 4 is to 1. So this OC is going to be 4A and CA is going to be A. So that you remember. Okay. And D is the point on OB extended such that OB is to OD is equal to 3 is to 4. And M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. We have to show that C, M, D are on same straight line. So our focus is finding CM and CD. That we need to understand. Now for finding CM, we need AM. And for finding AM, we will first find AB. So we have AB is equal to, vector AB is equal to AO plus OB, which is minus 5A plus 3B. We go in this direction, so it goes minus A, 5A plus 3B. Now, since we have found AB, now it is easy to find AM. It is half of minus 5A plus 3B. M is the midpoint. Now let us find CM. How do I find CM? CM is equal to CA plus AM. Now CA is what? A. And AM is half of minus 5A plus 3B. Let us expand this. So we have multiplying by half. We get here minus 5A upon 2 plus 3B upon 2. Taking LCM 2 times A is 2A. 2A minus 5A is going to be minus 3A plus 3B upon 2. So we take half common here and positively write first. So we have minus A plus B or B minus A. So 3 by 2 in bracket B minus A. We found CM in terms of B minus A. Now let us find CD. Now how do I find CD? So my CD is going to be CO plus OD. Now CO is going to be minus 4A and OD is going to be 4B. Okay, because this is OB is to OD is equal to 3 is to 4. So this is all together 4 parts. So that is 4B. Let us take 4 common from here. So we get 4 in bracket B minus A. So you can see that CM and CD both are multiples of B minus A. So since CM and CD are both multiples of B minus A and both pass through C, CM and D are on the same straight line. They are collinear. Got it? So again, the key concept, you have to show that they are the multiples of same fraction. So this is the question for you. So you have 2 questions for the practice, children. So I hope this will help you in the exams. And if you feel that this video was helpful, please share with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.